Hey everybody, I'm Jimmy, the Bearded Biker with Moto Nation USA, and today we're going to be unboxing the Innovv K3 Motorcycle Dash Cam. Stick around, check it out.
Whether coming or going, Moto Nation USA, always on the road.
As I said, we're going to be unboxing the Innovv K3 Dash Cam for the motorcycle. I recently got this, picked it up off Amazon. It's the Innovv K3. If you're not familiar with it, there's three different types of motorcycle dash cams that are made by Innovv: the K2, the K3, and the K5. The K2 is an older unit, the K3 is the newest technology, and the K5 is their flagship or the very best. While this has a front and rear mounted camera, it's at 1080p. The K5 unit has a forward mount 4K. It does have some image stabilization qualities. You'll be seeing those in an upcoming video. For now, we're going to be doing the unboxing of. So let's go ahead and take open the box. We've got this nice box here. Set this aside. Vapor cover perhaps. And we've got this rubber thing here, keeping all the parts separated and secured. And let's just go ahead and pull all this stuff out. Okay, so we've got everything out of the box here. We've got these pieces out here. We'll be taking a closer look at them here in just one moment. Looks like right here I've got the DVR unit along with a bunch of connections. I can see from a quick glance that the connections aren't going to go, they're going to be color coded, and they're going to either have a male or female connector, so you're not going to be able to get this unit messed up when you install it. It's going to be pretty easy to install. That being said, taking apart your motorcycle may not be as easy as installing the unit. So it looks like it's going to be pretty easy to install. Let me just show you a couple things. As I was saying just a minute ago, this is the DVR unit, what we've got right here. Let's take a closer look at it. We've got these connections over here, and we've got a couple of connections on the other end as well. And you can see that these are orange, one's red, these over here are black. That's our DVR unit right there. So this right here is our GPS unit. It's going to light up whenever you're in motion or it's recording, or the GPS data. You press this button. The instructions say that if you press it once, it locks in a certain amount, because it has 90 minutes of continuous memory on the DVR. And then as you see, this is the male, this is the female. It's red. There's only one connection that it's going to go to, so you're going to put these two together, screw it together. It's not going to fit any of these other ones at all, so you're not going to have any problem knowing which one it is. This right here is the on and off switch. Whenever something's going on here, a little light will be indicated on here. As I was saying, it's got a little red ring, and it's got a male connector, so it's going to go to this female on the DVR unit right there with the red ring. I'm not going to have any problems. These are the cameras. Both cameras are exactly the same. They're 1080p. One's got a slightly longer wire than the other one, but they can be, the middle connector here is for the forward camera, and this is for the rear camera, so the instructions say. So wherever you put the DVR unit here, you make sure that you use the longer wire. If you put the DVR unit closer to the front of the bike, make sure that you use the shorter one for the forward facing camera. And if you put the DVR unit closer to the back of the bike, make sure that you use the shorter camera wire towards the back of the bike. Pretty simple there, huh? The GPS unit's right here. It connects. We can see that it has an orange and it's male. So we just go over here and we look for the orange male. It's got a 3-pin connector, and again, I'm not going to have any problems finding out which way it goes. The only problems that we might have with this is just the disassembly and the assembly of the motorcycle. Let's look in this box, see what we've got in here. This is the DC converter. It's a female, so we'll connect it to the orange male. There's only one of them over here. There it is. Again, very easy. And then, of course, this goes directly to the battery. Red one, obviously, from positive. This is negative. And this one little other wire, this yellow one, instructions say for it to go to the ignition or accessory power, so you can put it in accessory mode and you can fiddle with your accessories. You know, you can turn your DVR, press this little button, the switch on, turn it on, it will record, lock that into place. This converts your battery power into the power necessary for the DVR unit here. Pretty simple there. And of course, we've got the mounts. Got two cameras there. Those are what we're going to be mounting on the bike. It comes with a microphone. Again, this is the red connector, male. It's going to go to the red connector, female, there. And then, of course, we have a different group of mounting options depending on how you want to mount it on your motorcycle. You've got a bunch of different mounts here in this little box where you can decide how you're going to mount it. And that's the Innovv K3 Dash Cam. I'll be doing a short video later after it's installed on the Pan America, and we'll be taking a look at some of that video quality in the next video. Has a bunch of different features. I'm going to put a link in the description below. I'm Jimmy, the Bearded Biker, and I hope to see you on the road.